if you're watching this video, you must have forgotten how to find the volume of a cube, like the formula for it. Fine. We're going to reinvent it or rediscover it using the area of a square. You should know the area of a square is just side times side, right? So in other words, side squared. So imagine taking that square, putting it down here at the base of a cube, and I want to calculate the volume. So what I do then is I multiply the area of the square times this height. I'm projecting it over the height. So the volume of a cube can then be said to be the area of the square times the height, which in other words is s squared. And what's the height of a cube? Well, it's the same as the sides. It's a cube. By definition, all of these things are s, right? There's s's all over the place in cubes. So that's just s squared times s, and that is s cubed. That's the volume of a cube. So what's the surface area in square inches of a cube with volume of 1,000 cubic inches? So we're going to use the volume to calculate the side length. Okay, here's the volume, 1,000. And the side length, I don't know, but that's s cubed. So I'm going to take the cube root of each side. Your calculator should be able to do that. If you're using a calculator which does not have cube roots on it, and you know, they exist, what I'm going to do instead is show you a trick that I use on my old little calculators. I'm going to raise each side to a power to get rid of that cube. And what you do is you raise it to 1/3. And the 1/3 times the 3 cancels out. All you get on this side is s to the 1, which is, you know, just s. And any calculator should be able to do 1,000 to the 1/3. Just make sure you keep that 1/3, keep that 1/3 in a little parenthesis so it doesn't get confused. So cubed root of 1,000 means 1,000 to the 1/3 power. Oh, 10. Great. So s equals 10. Well, what's the surface area? Think about what surface area is. That's that black side right there, plus this red side over here, plus this orange side in back, right? Plus this, I don't know, this yellow side over here, right? It's all the sides added together. So if the area of one side is called area, or in other words, s squared, how many sides do you have on a cube? Well, you count them up. You've got 4 sides, a top and a bottom. So this is 6 times the area, or in other words, 6 times s squared. Now s is 10, so that means this is going to be 6 times, well, s squared is 100. So we've got 600 here. That's the surface area of a cube that had a volume of 1,000.